Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a smart tip that keep your website safe and professional. Is your WordPress contact form is security putting your site at risk? Yes, Contact Form 7, one of the most popular plugin, is vulnerable to CSRF attack if not secured properly. Hackers can exploit this and submit malicious data on from front end. But don't worry, I am going to show you a simple, powerful fix using something called a nonce. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what a nonce is, but also how to add it to Contact Form 7 and verify it securely. This is must-known security patch for every WordPress developer and site owner. Let's jump and protect your form the right way. So first I am showing without nonce, and after that I will show you with nonce. I am removing this code from my end. Now check at here, there is no nonce field at here. No nonce field at here directly available. So for that, if anyone submit, then we have to add captcha etc. But if you want to add captcha, then good, but for permanent safety and permanent safety purpose, we should use nonce. For that, if you do not know about nonce, then I will share doc in the description so that you can learn about what is nonce. But it is for safety purpose, and it also provided by WordPress. So I am adding one code snippet to my child theme, and if you are developer, then you can put this code in the child theme, and if you are not developer, site owner etc., then you can put this inside your snippet plugin. So inside that I use two filter. These filter provided by Contact Form 7. So in first filter I use WP form element, and inside that I add nonce field at here, and now you can check. This nonce field is coming with some value, and suppose okay, first I am explaining one by one, and after that I will validate input type email, and if you check hook list, then you can check at here WPCA validate and type. So you can add different like text also, other field also, and I added this condition for specific form ID, so that it will not affect to other because suppose other form do not have input type email and it will validate, then it is not good and it always give error, etc. So for get form ID, you can get from admin panel. So go to admin panel, and go to contacts, and now you can check nonce ID, form ID at here. It is 2995. So we have to update 2995 at here. And yeah, I edit at here, if empty or not verify, then result invalidate and security validation failed. So for some time I am removing this code, means commenting at here, so that you can check. It is saying one or more field has error, please check again, and it is giving our error, security validation failed, please reload the page and try again. So we edit this validation at here, and I remove it. This validation require this nonce, etc. So again I am putting this code as uncomment. Sorry. And now check. Now it is working fine. So it check nonce, etc. So no one can add malicious code via form. And I am giving one more tip at here. Suppose you are logged in. Suppose you are logged in and you are checking for it, then give error always. Why? Because nonce is not working properly when we are logged in. So always check with after logout, so that it will work perfectly. And that's it, guys. Now awesome, now you have patched the CSRF vulnerability in your contact form 7 using WordPress nonce. This small tweak add a big layer of protection, and trust me, your user and your server will thank for it. If this video help you, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress fixes and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and keep your WordPress site safe and secure. See you next video.